know something about doctors? Yes, here are some interesting facts. Cortisol is a stress hormone. 15 to 20 milligram of cortisol is secreted in normal stress of human beings, while 150 milligram of cortisol is secreted under maximum stress. In one study, the surgeons, emergency room doctors, and anesthetists seem to be exceeded this 150 milligram of cortisol level frequently, more than a soldier in the battlefield. In one study, the doctors frequently cross 80 milligram of cortisol level per day and 150 milligram at least twice a month. And all of us know what are the side effects of stress. There was one survey, how happy and satisfied are doctors? Total 1,781 responses were received, and these were the observations. Only 37.7% doctors were satisfied. Only 45.1% doctors got complete 7 hours sleep. 82% doctors felt stressed out. 34.5% doctors had high blood pressure. 18.6% doctors had diabetes. 61.6% doctors had a fear of violence while giving consultation. 56.5% doctors had thought of hiring security for their clinical practice. Only 8% doctors had first choice for their children to become doctors. 75.6% doctors had anxiety issues. 44.4% doctors were afraid of possible violence. 24.6% doctors were afraid of being sued. 13.5% doctors were afraid of criminal prosecution. There was one study which showed that doctors die 10 years earlier than the normal age, and some studies also show that they died even 13 years earlier. If one doctor dies, we know that to make another doctor we need 30 years. Do you know that when treating you of your viral fever, your doctor gets exposed to the virus? Do you know that when doing surgery, your doctor gets cuts and pricks that may transmit disease from patient to doctor? Do you know that when your doctor dresses your diabetic foot, they feel nauseated by smell and do not feel like eating for the whole day? Do you know that when during a delivery, the patient often passes urine and stools that may spill on the doctor? Do you know that even though your doctor's own child might be suffering from fever, he has to leave him to others as he has to go and treat others while his own child suffers? Do you know that for every delivery case, your doctor has to attend at least 10 calls throughout the night and then be back to work early next day? Do you know that when a neurosurgeon operates for 12 hours continuously, he loses track of time and forgets to eat or sleep? Do you know that a cardiologist is exposed to dangerous levels of radiation in the cath labs? Do you know that the lifespan of doctors is 10 years less than public average because of stress? With their level of intelligence, they could earn more money if that had been the sole motive, had they chosen other professions. Take care, thank you, and bye-bye.